Hello, and welcome to another video of GG Academy. Cleaning a fish tank is important for the health and well-being of the fish. Here are some steps you can follow to keep your fish tank clean. Gather your supplies. You will need a net, a gravel vacuum or siphon, a sponge or algae scraper, a water testing kit, and a clean bucket. You may also need a filter cleaning solution or filter pads, depending on the type of filter you have. Turn off the lights and equipment. Before you start cleaning the tank, turn off the lights and any equipment, such as filters or heaters, to minimize stress on the fish. Remove any visible debris. Use a net to remove any visible debris, such as uneaten food or plant matter, from the tank. Perform a partial water change. Remove about 25 to 30% of the water from the tank using a siphon or a bucket. Be sure to remove the water from the bottom of the tank, as this is where most of the waste accumulates. Replace the water with dechlorinated tap water. It's important to use dechlorinated water because chlorine and other chemicals in tap water can be harmful to fish. You can dechlorinate the water by adding a water conditioner according to the manufacturer's instructions. Clean the gravel. Use a gravel vacuum or siphon to remove any debris that has settled on the bottom of the tank. You can also use a gravel cleaner to scrub the gravel and remove any buildup of dirt or algae. If you have live plants in the tank, be careful not to disturb their roots too much. Clean the tank walls. Use a sponge or algae scraper to remove any algae that has accumulated on the walls of the tank. Be sure to use a soft sponge or pad to avoid scratching the tank. You may also need to clean the decorations or ornaments in the tank. Clean the filters. Remove and clean the filters according to the manufacturer's instructions. This will help to remove any excess waste and keep the water clean and oxygenated. If you have a mechanical filter, such as a sponge filter, you will need to rinse it in a bucket of tank water to remove any debris. If you have a chemical filter, such as a carbon filter, you may need to replace the filter pads or add a filter cleaning solution. Test the water. Use a water testing kit to check the levels of ammonia, nitrite, and nitrate in the tank. If the levels are not within the appropriate range, you may need to perform additional water changes or add chemicals to the tank. By following these steps regularly, you can help to keep your fish tank clean and healthy for your fish. It's generally a good idea to clean the tank at least once a week, although you may need to do it more often if you have a heavily stocked tank or if you notice a buildup of waste or algae. If you enjoy the content on this channel and want to see more, consider subscribing to stay up to date with all of our new videos.